Hello my esteemed viewers, hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the tutorials. Are you a trader, are you a crypto trader, or are you looking forward to become a crypto trader? Then this video is for you. Okay, I will be walking you through how to use completely Binance on trading cryptocurrency. Okay, if you don't know what we call Binance, this is the Binance app. Let me click it out to open. This is the Binance app. If you have not registered, I'll drop a link for you to register on this very amazing app and start crypto trading immediately. So before any other thing, I would like to show you some few things or walk you through around Binance applications environments so that you can see how really it works. Okay, if you have something of this nature, have a Binance app on your phone, it must have to be a verified Binance app on your phone. Okay, so let's quickly go into it and see. Let me take you to the interface. The next thing that you just need to do is to log in, and you see something of this very nature. You can see my ID, you can see my account tick blue, tick green, verified. Okay, if you have verified a Binance account, this is something that you will see. You will see something of this very nature. You can see this is a referral program, this is reward hub, this is Square, this is peer-to-peer transactions. Okay, in this place there is also Square, there is spot trading, there is simple N, there is pay, there is also feature. You can click on more services to see what happens here. Okay, you can see in this place how you can make your deposits. You can see deposit fiat, you can see recurring buy, you can see transfer, how you can transfer from one wallet to another wallet. Okay, or to move from spot to feature or to others within the Binance platform. Okay, having seen all this, you can see what exactly we are going to do here. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is how to buy a particular cryptocurrency on this very platform and also sell using spot trading. On these tutorials as well, I'll also be walking you through, I'll be briefing you on how futures trading works on this very platform. But I will be dropping a full video that explain better or fully about future trading. Okay, so the next thing that I will wish to do is to click on this spot. The moment I click on this spot, it brings me directly to this very place. I'm already trading this. That's why you're seeing high fee, because I've put 2.2 in my future selling. I'm not here for this for now. Okay, so just watch carefully. I'm click on home. So if you click on home, this is where it will take you to. It's one thing you must know on this very platform. This total balance you're seeing here shows my USDT balance. This very deposit side shows where you can how to deposit on this very platform. And these favorites you are seeing here are the favorite. These are the favorite coin. There's a hot coin. These are the hot coin: BNB, BTC, ETH. If you want to see the gainers today, for today, the gainers, which people are leading, which people are on top, you click on gainers. You see, the gainers are Bond, OKI, Loom, RPL, TWT, LQTY, and many more. You can as well check the losers. Okay, the losers, the highest losers here is minus 6.50, which is on fee. Okay, the on fee is the highest losers here, then the others follow. On this place, you can check on the new listing coin. This new listing of a coin, these are the coin that Binance listed not quite long. There's NTRN, there's Cyber, there's SAY, there's FDU, there's WorldCoin, which is WLD. Okay, then you can check out the 24 hours volumes of all this coin. BTC, you have seen the 24 hours volume, the last price, and in this place you can see the market cap for today. Okay, so one of the major thing I want you to see here is to concentrate on how to buy now. Okay, you concentrate on how to buy now. Okay, so let me tell you something. The next thing that you just need to do here is to go to buy any coin you want to patronize here, any coin you want to buy here and sell in the nearest future. These are where they are. And my most advice is that you should always buy currency like BNB, BTC, and Ethereum. Those ones, those ones will hardly be liquidated, and those ones will hardly liquidify your money. Your money will hardly lost on these very currencies. Okay, so now let's see, for example, I want to buy something like BNB, which is the Binance coin. This Binance coin is as low as 206 now. If I were you, this is the right time to invest, buy and hold. For in the nearest future, it will rise before December. Or even before some of these days, you see, there's every possibility that it will go up in a soon time. Okay, so we are here on BNB. You can look at all the interface, the dashboard of this very BNB. The 24 hours high is 207, which is here. You can see it here. And the 24 hours volume is $176,775. The 24-hour volume USDT is 36.48 million. Okay, so now what do you want to do now? All you just need to do is just click on buy. If you click on buy, your volume of the USDT that you have will appear here. My volume is not appearing here because it's on trade. Okay, the next thing that you just need to do, you can see this place amount of BNB. You can see the down place here, total USDT. Any amount of USDT you want to buy, you input it here. Maybe I want to buy 100 USDT. If you put 100 USDT in this very place, you get 0.4. And don't forget, 1 BNB costs $206.5. Okay, let me try to buy 1 BNB. Let me see, put 200 and let me just say 207. You see, I put 207 now. I'm going to have 1 BNB at 207 USDT. So the next thing that you just need to do, you click on buy. It's not going to work out now because I'm currently having insufficient coin because my USDT are on trade. Okay, so the moment you click on buy BNB, it will buy and it will come to your funds. Okay, you now see your volume of BNB here. You can now see how it is. This is highly very simple. Okay, that is for it for the spot trading. If you have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment section and I will get to you as soon as possible. I'll also drop a video in the nearest time that shows exact only spot trading. Okay, that is for it. If you look at down this place, this is what we call a market. Click on the market. If you click on the market, it will take you to all those coins. Okay, to take you to those coins, and one of the most favorite coin, that's where it will take you to. You can buy from here. You can see the trade. This is where we just left. Okay, that will now take us to futures trading. You see down here next to the trades, that's what we call a future trading. Click on it. So you can see the future trading. Okay, all right. One of the most fascinating thing about this future trading is that if you have 10 USDT, you can buy 50, you can use 50 USDT on future trading. Okay, how do you do that? In this future trading, there's what we call a leverage. This leverage allows you to use times 5, 10, or 20 of your money. Okay, it's very simple. In this place, you can see an isolated. I will explain the difference between isolated and I will explain the difference between isolated and also cross margin in my next video. You can see this place is the leverage. You can leverage up to 20. If you leverage this 20, but don't forget, the more leverage you use, the high risk of liquidity you will be. Okay? Adding being that you have a 50 USDT. In this 50 USDT, and you're using 10 leverage or 11 leverage, and you're using 10 or 11 leverage, automatically this your 50 USDT will be turned to over 200 or 300 or even 500 USDT. Okay, they allows you to use this very leverage on your purchase. That is it. In my next video, all this will come in details, because I will separate all those things and show you one after the other, so that you can follow each and every step I'm sending here, and you'll be able to do all that you want in these very places. Okay, then we shift to wallet. In this wallet, this is where you see your total balance and your total transactions in this very place. In this place you can buy, in this place you can deposit. Okay, you can now see it. There's USD M feature, there's coin M feature, there's cross margin, there's isolated margin, there's copy trading. That is it for this very place. If you have any question, please do not forget to drop it at the comment section. I will get to you as soon as possible. If you are finding value from this video, do not forget to hit the subscription button and also hit the like buttons, and as well share my videos for a lot of people who wants to become a trader today, tomorrow, to understand what we're talking about here. The next thing that you just need to look at now, you take your eyes to the top. You can see overview, you can see spot, you can see funding, you can see N, you can see feature, you can see margin. Okay, spot here is where you come to do spot trading. Okay, you come to see do spot trading, you check out what your profit and loss is, and a lot more. Okay, you go to funding. Funding is where you can deposit your BTC, being it to run a peer-to-peer trading or others. I'll drop a link of a video that shows you the peer-to-peer trading by the end of this video, so that you can see it, how to fund your wallet. Okay, you can as well transfer from this very funding to either spot trading, so that you can start spot trading, or you can transfer to coin margin, to coin feature. You can also transfer to USDT M features. Okay, these others are inactive, you cannot send them there. So the moment you fund your account, you need to transfer from the funding to the spot. I'll show you all that. Okay, and if you have any question, please do not forget to ask. You can go to N. This shows your total earning volume. You can go to feature. This is where you do your feature trading. This is where you see your profit and loss. In this very place, you see your wallet balance on feature. In this very place, you see your margin balance on feature. In this very place, you see the total unrealized PNL. This PNL means profit and loss. Okay, then you go to margin. Same as here. So this is very simple and ABCD, as ABCD. So on this very place now, I would like to stop this video here in order to save the length of this very video, because I have a lot of breakdown I'm going to do in my next class. So the only thing you need to check about here is how those things really work. Okay, if you don't have a Binance account, I will drop you a link that you can use to create your own Binance account. And if you need any help from me, you can chat me up as well, and I will guide you through on how to get registered and verified. On my next video as well, I'll be showing you how you can get free signal from this very platform called Binance. So at this junction now, I would like to stop here. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of this video. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you can really understand how these very platforms work. Okay, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking as you do. Thank you for subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and bye.